Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2014 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. This one here has the 3.6 liter V6, made it to the automatic of course. 69,179 miles. Still though, it's in very, very good shape. Rear seat entertainment. This one's Summit White over the nice brown interior. Go ahead, take a look under the hood at that 3.6. Yeah, I know the hood's open, I just opened it. Not bad at all. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. See how it does. So this was pretty fully optioned back in 2014. So you got your backup camera and all that fun stuff. Manual mode where you can shift on the shifter. Sun visor of course, or sunroof of course. This is your sun visor that does slide. But yeah, let's go ahead, take this thing out. That leaf's been there just a little while. That is just from sitting, I hope. Actually, this one hasn't even been PDI'd yet, so this one should be getting inspected anyway. So whatever it is, if it's an issue, it's going to be fixed. Overall though, it's a really, really nice vehicle. Even though it hasn't been prepped for sale yet, I still wanted to film it before it sells, which I'm starting to regret now that that issue with the brakes is here, but that'll be fixed actually later today. Still plenty of braking force, so I don't know what it is. It looks like we got some Tellurides coming in, which are all pre-sold. Oh, you know what that is? That's just from sitting, now that I think about it. I've driven cars with that all the time. Well, not all the time. I've driven cars that do that before, and it's just from sitting. Up. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.